Hi everyone. This week I'm talking about Firefly's Alpha rocket reaches the orbit on second launch. Kihei, Hawaii, the Firefly Aerospace Alpha launch vehicle reaches the orbit on its second launch on October 1st, more than a year after the vehicle's first launch failed. The Alpha rocket launched from Spaceport Number 2 at Vandenberg Space Force Base at Eastern 3:01 a.m. Nearly 8 minutes later, the rocket's upper stage entered the orbit. After a cyclic burn, the upper stage deployed its payload, and Firefly declared 100% success. However, before this success, Firefly made some launch attempts, and all of these attempts eventually failed due to some glitch. Firefly firstly tried to launch Alpha about 3 weeks earlier on September 11th. Unfortunately, Alpha's controller stopped the countdown 1 minute before the scheduled launch. In this case, they had to cancel this launch due to this problem. Later, the Firefly indicated that the stop of the controller countdown was resulted from the reduced nitrogen supply to pressure the rocket's second stage tank. The second launch attempt was delayed because of the inappropriate weather, and Firefly decided to schedule another date for a third launch attempt. At this time, the rocket engine ignited briefly and then went out. The Firefly later figured out that the rocket engine went into automatic abort when the engine failed. The first Alpha launching attempt 13 months ago was failed because of the shutdown of one of the 4 engines. After the examination, the Firefly declared that this failure was due to the electrical connection problem, and now they have already solved this problem and also improved the manufacturing process. This improvement guaranteed the second launch, and Firefly believed that their products would be much better after this enhancement. Finally, the Firefly launched the second Alpha successfully, and this success earned high recognition for them.